Okay, so we just got done with one of my favorite Mexican food meals ever. It was at Crisostomos, and it's an El Paso staple. They have a couple of locations, and me and Sal had a blast. So, what did you think about it, Sal?
Well, I thought the scenery was real nice. They had a couple of, pictures and
Cool soccer.
cool soccer stuff from El Paso. And then they have a little glass panel so you can see them when they make the food.
Fresh tortillas, like literal, like powder still on them, like insane.
Homemade, and then they had fresh horchata.
Insane. So fresh. And then Sal got one of the best things. I liked his more than mine. He got, what was it? Chicharrón, yeah. And it was like it felt like a stew kind of sort of inside almost. Nice spicy flavor. It was probably, I think it was the spiciest one that they had in there. And then I got, what was it? It was the deshebrada. And deshebrada, oh wow. For the final thing, the best part. We got chile relleno inside a quesadilla, cheese on cheese. Insane. It was really, really, really good.
The flavor is a lot stronger than you would expect.
Yeah, definitely. I was expecting it to actually be more bland, but it was pretty good. So, thanks for watching. Post-meal thoughts. Exquisite. What was the best part about your meal?
Like any good meal, it's the cheese and fat.
Cheese and fat.
And the tortilla was just
insane. Their tortillas were about the best I've ever had. They were just nice and soft. They have that flour on the outside. Just amazing. So now, what are we gonna do, Sal?
Go get some airsoft with Ben.
Sounds good. Well, we'll see you guys later.